2015 Mercedes Benz GLK 350 engine type V45 V6 replacement ignition coil and location cylinder number 1. When your car make type number 1 engine run not power, to change the ignition coil, new spark plug, and new ignition coil. First time you remove the air, the filter, this connect map sensor, connect and take off the bolt, and this bolt you use the separer foot. This one, the socket, and use the socket. Take off bolt and bolt, remove the air filter. And you use the better foot, remove the this bolt here, and remove, use the better foot, remove the ignition coil. The old ignition coil. And change the spark plug. Use the separer tooth. And spark plug, yeah, here. And new signature coil. tightening the bolt. Put the connect. Located cylinder number 1, number 2, number 3, the right side and left side, number 4, number 5, number 6. Thank you for you watching my video. Please put subscribe for me. Thank you. Next time I put video